I got it. I got it. No, I don't. Okay. I'm actually missing baseball today. Yeah, I got my Rangers hat on. That's actually AT&T Park in San Francisco, one of the most beautiful stadiums right on the bay. So anyways, yeah, it's just that time of the year, right? It's May. You want to be out at the ballpark, but baseball has been canceled until further notice because of the coronavirus. Getting a little tired of the coronavirus, but anyways, it is what it is. So what's going on now? Well, Profits Passport is still doing great. So don't know if you've had a chance to take a look at it. Go to profitspassport.info if you want to have a system that is completely done for you, where all you need to do is just get eyeballs to the funnel. This is the one for you. It has multiple passive income streams, right? So all you need to do is get people to your funnel, whether it's with paid traffic, whether it's with free traffic, however you want to do. The thing is that you don't have to worry about the hard stuff. You don't have to build a website. You don't have web hosting fees. You don't have to shoot videos. You don't have to write emails. All that stuff is done for you, okay? This is the program where David does the work and we collect the commissions. And that's exactly how it's been. So let me share my screen and let's get right into it. All right, so let's see. Let's go into David's group. Well, before we do that, let me log into EASY1UP. So EASY1UP is the first stream in the funnel. That's where you can make up to $2,000 cash commissions, 100%. So if we go to EASY1UP, did I go over 15 or not yet? Getting close. Yeah, okay, I'm over 15,000 now. So we go to the leaderboard. Top earning sponsors, that's for the Elevation Elite level. So you go to the Vertex Pro. That's the one I've been doing really well at. That's $1,000 level. Okay, guess what? We have great news for you. You are currently on the leaderboard. You're damn right I'm on the leaderboard. I'm number 1 on the leaderboard for the last 30 days, number 3 for the last 90 days, number 4 for the last 6 months, and number 11 for the last year. So just going to keep plugging away and keep doing what I can to stay on this leaderboard. It's awesome. Like I said, the thing I want to do is start getting you guys on the leaderboard. So when you join my team, I want to give you the secrets. I want to give you what has taken me to number 1 on the leaderboard so you can do the same. So you can make some upfront commissions, some passive commissions. I mean, there's a lot of cool things that you can do here with this funnel. It has 6, at least 6. There's probably some hidden ones in there too. 6 major profit streams. Number 1 is this one, EASY1UP, okay? Like I said, EASY1UP is a program that's an educational program. Well, let me just show you real quick. If you go into the program, see each level has different, education that you can learn in there, different ways to make money online. It's like this one, how to do webinar marketing, how to do email marketing, list building, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of training to get you on the path to doing this correctly. Also, if you join my team, you get to get access to my group where I teach you list building. So this is my group. It's called the List Building Key. So this is a bonus when you join my team. You can get into the List Building Key. So let me just get out of that. Let's go back to David's group. In that group, in my group, List Building Key, I do different trainings, just teach you different ways to make money online, different ways to monetize your list and whatever. So it's just an added bonus. So you can get some, I understand that this is a done for you system, but there are people out there that they want to learn. And if there's somebody that's willing to take years and years and thousands of dollars in training and mentoring and give it away for free, you'd want to absorb that, right? So that's what I'm doing. All right, so we're in David's group. This is our group for the program, Profits Passport. So let's see what we got. We got Rob. 7 hours ago, I was going to do a little bit of yard work. Thought I'd check my email real quick, and boom, $2,000. $2,000 for Rob on a nice weekend when he was thinking about cutting the grass, I guess. And then 6 minutes later, look at that, all-star level. Wow, what a huge day. Let's give him some love. Amazing day. So that was, what is that, a $3,200 a day. He didn't do anything. Do you understand what's going on here? All he's doing is bringing traffic to his funnel. He just went to go check his email. David's the one that's doing all the work on the back end. This is really awesome. Let's see, with Paulo, already made $5,000. $3,000 came when I was sleeping because he's in Australia. So while America's working, he's sleeping. $2,000 dropped in while making lunch. Wow, $5,000 a day. Pretty awesome. Tom, another commission rolled in. Oh, Tom was playing golf this morning. 25 bucks came in. Hey, that pays for lunch, right? Can't complain. Give him some love. Did I give Paulo some love? Let's give Paulo some love because that's a big, huge day. All right. This is really cool because I know because I'm the moderator for this group, so I just added him into the group the other day, and look at this. I joined on my birthday, May 18th at 11 p.m. to start something new in my life, and here I got 2 payments. Yes, I got 30 referrals on my Profit Passport system, including one from David's YouTube channel. So May 19th, $500. May 27th, $1,000. Thank you, David, for your amazing system. Give him some love. Well done, my friend. All right. Capo, no slowing down. Appreciate the work, David. I'm guessing I can go on and keep barbecuing and not work. Yeah, you can just go ahead and keep on barbecuing. Enjoy your Memorial Day. Spend time with your family. Let David do the work. Keep BBQing, my friend. Boom, another $500 while relaxing and enjoying the weekend. I mean, do you guys understand what's going on here? This is a fully done for you system. Just drive traffic. David is following up daily. Every single day, David is sending an email, letting people know what other people are doing, giving people tips, showing people his own personal success. And what that does is it helps rub off on other people that are sitting on the sidelines. So you have all these people that are there, watching their emails. Man, David just emailed me again and again and again, and all these people are making commissions. Eventually, they're going to get sick of it. They're either going to unsubscribe or they're going to join, and most people are joining, right? So the thing is, we just follow up until they buy or die. Not die as a person, but die as a lead, right? So you just keep following up, keep following up. Either the lead is going to die or the lead is going to buy. One or those two things are going to happen. And if they leave your list, or I guess in this case, if they leave David's list, that's fine. And like I said, when they create a Profits Passport account, you will get their email address in your dashboard area. Now, that's better than just a regular lead because this isn't a lead that took action. They opted in, they watched David's video, they created an account, very valuable lead. So if you do have an autoresponder, take that lead and put it into your autoresponder because more than likely, this is the person that's going to take action again in the future, all right? So let's see, we've got Scott, ROI panel, $748. This is income stream number 3, the click tracking software. So again, EASY1UP is income stream number 1. You can make up to $2,000 cash payments. Number 2 is FunnelX Advance. They have levels all the way up to $19.97, and it pays 50% commission. However, here's the cool catch. Make sure you pay attention to this right now. If you come into EASY1UP at the $2,000 level, you will get FunnelX Advanced, the $19.97 level. You'll get that absolutely free. So you're basically saving $2,000. So you're buying a $2,000 program and you're getting a $2,000 program absolutely free. So that's a cool incentive, but you have to do that within 7 days. So once you join, you have to get EASY1UP at that $2,000 level within 7 days, and then you can have FunnelX Advanced for free. ROI panel is the third income stream. That's the click tracking software. And just to go back, FunnelX Advanced, that's a pay-per-lead system. So all somebody has to do is register from a desktop or a laptop computer from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. If they're from one of those 5 countries, desktop, laptop, computer, David will pay you $1. Plus there's other things that you can buy in there and you get 50% commission. ROI panel is the click tracking software because if you're buying traffic, you want to know your metrics. You want to know who you're buying traffic from, who's getting the proper results, who's getting the good opt-in, whose traffic is creating accounts, whose traffic is triggering sales. Then you have all these other metrics, where they came from, what country, what IP address, what software, what platform they're using, iPhone, Android, Chrome, Safari, tells you all that information, okay? So ROI panel is a program that tells the story of your traffic run. Really cool. Income stream number 4 is Udemy. That's a website where you buy traffic from. So it doesn't cost anything to join. However, when people join under your affiliate link and they buy traffic, every time they buy traffic, you get a small piece of that. Actually, 15% isn't a small piece. 15% is actually a very nice piece. So that could add up real quick, and then you can use that money to buy traffic or whatever you want to do. Michael just woke up from a nap. Boom, $2,000. Man, that's a really good nap. It doesn't matter how good your dream is. If you wake up and your phone says you made $2,000, man, that's better than any good dream. So let's see. I already put wow. Okay. And Sam, what did Sam do? $2,000. I'm just kind of getting through these. Oh, this was a big one. David, you know, the one that runs the program, he made an $8,700 commission. Okay, because income stream number 5, which is perfectly timed because we just did income stream number 4. Income stream number 5 is OPM Wealth, which is a country, not a country. It is a program that teaches you wealth creation, wealth building, how to trade Forex, how to trade crypto, how to build your credit, how to get credit for your business, how to get working capital, how to use other people's money, all that stuff. That's what they learn in here. They have programs all the way up to $27,500. So this was a $14,500 package that somebody bought through David's system, and he made $8,700. He literally did no work. He did not know who was going through his funnel. He did not know who was on a coaching call with this program. But when somebody got on a coaching call with this program, they were able to get him some working capital, some funds, and he was able to get into this program. And when he paid $14,500, whoever that person was, when they paid $14,500 to get into this program, David made an $8,700 commission. Let that sink in. All these testimonials you'll see, David, one day, $8,700. And that's not his biggest day. He's done days where he's done over 20,000 because somebody got that at the highest level, 27,500. That pays a $16,500 commission. Plus he made some commissions and other things. So this funnel is just freaking on fire. It's amazing the amount of money people can make in one day. Look at this, Kenneth in Malaysia. Boom, 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 made my third sale, $100. Cool, you know, in other countries, $100 in the US is big money in other countries, okay? Like in Malaysia, or the Philippines, or India. I mean, that's big, big money because there's actually a girl in India that's in this group and she's just crushing it. Young girl in India, just doing big things. Maybe we'll cross her thing. Well, Michael's just killing it. My total 29. Very nice. Okay, David, $1,000. David, Trey. Okay, there you go. This is the girl in India I was talking about. Look at that. $625 while I was sleeping just by using my Facebook. She is actually really good at something that I teach, which is organic marketing, how to market on Facebook. Again, if you join my team, that's something that I teach within my group and stuff, how to market on Facebook. I have softwares, I have tools, I have everything you need. Trust me, I've been around so long that anything you could possibly need, I have those resources and they are at your disposal when you join my team. So, but like I said, you know, she's a young girl in India and she does better than people in the United States that actually have better resources than her. She's just a hustler. She sees an opportunity, she goes for it. Okay, so anyways, I think I've kind of proved my point because, you know, there's tons of people, Noi, let's see, you snooze there, 105, another $500 came in while I was sleeping. Some of that sleeping money. That's why I like to call this, what did I call it? The sleep system or the sweet dream system. That's what I renamed it because there's so many people that are making money while they sleep because it is a worldwide program. Let's not forget this. This is a worldwide program. Anybody in any country can do this and you can set up your payment options to whatever you want because you're, you know, an EASY1UP, you get paid instantly. So you set up whatever you want. You want to accept credit cards, you want to accept MoneyGram, Western Union. I mean, think about it. Let's just realistically think about it. There could be somebody in a third world country, right? As long as they have an internet connection and a way to accept money, you know. So if they say that, hey, I am, what is this? Okay, some community. If they say that, hey, you know, I'm in this country and the only way I can accept payments is Western Union or whatever the case, maybe they have PayPal. But my point is that this is not limited to anybody. You just have to use your creativity and imagination and resources, and it opens up a whole lot for you. So that's all I've got to say. I'm going to go ahead and stop that screen share. Just wanted to get on and just say that, hey, listen, this is a great program. Like I said, this is one of the first times in my life, at least I think, that I'm #1 on the leaderboard, okay? And there's people that are doing big, big numbers. So the fact that I hit #1 on the leaderboard just blows me away anyways. I need to get better about posting my own testimonials in the group. I have to scroll a little further. Sometimes I get a little bit lazy because I got so many things going on that I don't go in there and post it. But I will because, wait, did I? You know what? I don't even know if I shared the post where I'm #1 on the leaderboard. That's how lazy I'm getting. So I shared it on my personal wall to share it with my friends and family and put it on my Facebook stories. I don't know if I shared it in the group, but whatever the case may be, I will be doing that. Like I said, go to profitspassport.info. All the information will be in the description area below. Join my team, get my bonuses. At the end of this video, you'll see a pop-up over here with another video that has my full presentation with all the bonuses and everything. So just wanted to leave some testimonials here to show you guys that this is actually working. This is not just me blowing air. This is me going in the group and showing you all these different people that are making money. You can be one of them too. So this is Nicholas from Dallas, Texas. Look forward to having you join the team. Reach out to me however you want. There's Facebook, email, just go below. You'll see different ways you can contact me, or go into that other video. Bunch of ways you can contact me, all right? Leave a like, share, comment, help me out here. Just click the little thumb and click the little bell so you get notified next time I have a video, and leave a comment below. All right, thank you very much. Take care. I will talk to you all soon.